Audi is, of course, going to give us a stretch in the vein of the sacred letters, and has got a special piece of music to go with, and it says Kabalah Yoga.
In gold.
In gold.
The gold.
Take it away.
Awesome. So we got, where's Patrick? Patrick. How are we doing?
Good. Excellent.
It's been a long day, huh? Yep. But a day filled with so much wisdom, so many ideas. Let's come standing. Standing, we've been sitting all day. And you know, if you got the heels on, just take them off. Really. And we have some more space between us. So let's kind of scoot around, just make a little space so you have your sacred space around you. Let's bring our hands into our hearts. And I'm so honored to be sharing with you another dimension to IdeaCity. The power of 18, the power of Chai. It's your life force, your breath. It's the heart. You know, in many ways, we're all diggers. You know, digging inside over here, looking for the treasures of life. And so today, we're going to dig into the soil of the heart. And from the heart, smoothly on an inhale, let's start to stretch. Exhaling, passing through the heart, connecting to the earth underneath you. Exhale. Inhaling, reaching. Exhale. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale, touch your heart. And again, reaching into the heart, into the sky. Let's bring the hands together. And on an exhale, move to your right. Inhale high. Exhale to the left. Inhale high, going over. Into the sky and over. Let's come back into the heart and place your hands like this. The heart is so powerful that we're all connected right now just from our hearts. Really, just look at anyone next to you or far away. Just give your heart. Give your heart. Yeah, don't be shy. We've been spending 2 days together. Still got another day. Let's just feel the heart. Give your heart. Give your heart. Yes. That's what it's about. Give your heart. Ah. And so, coming back into the heart, you know, there's a reason why God created the body with a heart that sits underneath the mind. Do you know? You know why? Because the heart is so warm and the mind is a little cold. So we need to stimulate and create this warmth to develop intentions, to develop ideas. And so bending our knees, inhaling, stretch your arms, open your heart. That's it. Sitting into your chair. Now I'm going to give you the profile again. To the earth, lifting, opening your heart. Exhale. Inhale. Beautiful. Exhale. Into the sky. So we're taking it into a twist to the right side. Yes. Into the sky. Make some room. We got place. That's it. Help each other. Release. Who's going to be my assistant today? Exhaling. Opposite side. Inhale, touch the sky, lifting up, bring your hands into your heart. Now, Stretch your left foot. So everybody should have the right foot. Yes, I'm going to be your miroir. Right foot to the front. Bowing down to Moses. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Lifting and opening your heart. That's it. Exhale. And if you knock each other, just say hello. So let's open up into a warrior two pose. And we're going to keep it simple. I mean, I planned a whole workout, but reaching into the sky. So stretch the whole side of your body. Exhaling, stretch to the back, coming through. Inhaling high. Exhaling over, yes, into the sky. Now straighten the front leg, guys. Straighten the front leg. Bring your hand against the shin. Yeah. Open your heart. Now bring hand into the heart and give your heart over to the whole world so they can feel the warmth of your own being. Exhaling. Let's release. Warrior two. Swoosh to the other side. Hold on. One more time. And again. Boom. We can do the Havana Gila together if you like. So we're in this side. Reaching into the sky. Exhaling through. Inhaling into the sky. Exhaling. Go through. Reach for the gold. Open. Exhale. Not into someone's pocket though. Into the sky. Now straighten your leg. Bringing your hand anywhere on your leg and touching the sky with your right hand. And exhaling. Releasing. So let's come into our favorite pose. Yes. Create some space. Yeah, come on. Some space, boys. You got to get some pants like these. Moses, I got a pair for you. So slowly reach for the earth. And then inhale, open up your heart. That's it. You look so beautiful. Check out how you look. Open heart. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Reaching high, shining from your heart to the earth, coming into the goddess. Now, let's move back, facing Moses, holy Moses. Now, I'm going to make you lift up the back leg. Yeah? Let's try. Don't kick anyone. Just give it a little lift. Come so. Yeah. That's it. And then to the back. Opposite side. Lifting up to the back. Let's come back into our goddess. Now, you know, I hear that when you discover gold, it's like an antenna. You're like, oh. Sometimes I'm sitting on the beach. I don't know if you've ever had this experience, and you got these people walking around you. You know, they're holding something. Oh, keep on moving. And they're there, and he comes right next to me. I got my, my blanket there, and he's like, I'm just checking it out, see if there's any gold. I'm like, it's my tooth. I'm just kidding. We bring our hands to the hips, folding. And so you can bring your hands onto the chair, yeah, or if you know the person in front of you, exhaling, folding. I'm just kidding. It's not this type of convention, right? Opening up. That's it. And then into your heart. Bring your feet together. That's it. And again, I want you to lift up because you've been sitting all day. Just lift up one leg into your heart. No cheating. Just kidding. Bring your leg on stage. Into the sky. A little twist. Sky. Slowly Bending the opposite leg. That's it. To the earth. Touch the sky. I like that all these high t-shirts, volunteers are into it. Twisting. It was fun yesterday, no? Singing and all. Into the sky. So let's straighten our legs. I don't want to make you work too hard. Into the heart. And I want you to feel from here as you draw into the sky, exhaling, passing through. So what we're going to do is we're going to move from the heart into the sky, passing through, supporting your lower back. And you're like, whoa, this feels good. Hey, doesn't it feel good? Imagine you're here and someone's with like a bucket of beer. No, of green juice, I meant. And then exhaling, folding. And then coming back up, one vertebrae at a time. I want you to bring your hands back into your heart. I share a little mystical teaching. The bodies and the mind is silver, but the gold is in the heart. The gold is in the heart. Let's feel the gold. You know why the gold is in the heart? Why? Because the heart is about passion. And it's got fire inside. And when we create this movement where the heart leads the way, then we live a life filled with blessing. And so I would love for us to express through the heart. We're going to offer an Om together. You're like, what's that Om? Sky. Exhale. So together. Om. Again. Om. One more time. Om. The sound of the universe. Let's come into the sound of the soul. It's a sha sound, so we'll do it together. You'll follow me. Inhale. The sound of the heart. Let's really give from our hearts. Hands together. We can do this for even more time, I'm sure. But keep the sound in your heart. And remember, to live your best life is to live like Moses, to be ageless, to share and to cultivate, and to be always with the heart, always with an open mind and a body, your sacred space. This is it. In another lifetime, the soul will be back, but this is your opportunity to be in this body. And so let's dig and use, not abuse, a little bit. A little bit. But always with awareness. And so, thank you. Should we do some more with it? Thank you.
I want that shirt.